What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video in the Ideal Auto Factory. And today it is snowing outside. So it's gonna be a little different. I'm about to take my son outside and the rest of the family, and we're about to go drifting in the snow.
Hello everyone, I'm Joshua. I'm 6 years old and this is my orange Jeep. Here we go first. Let's get into the video.
All right, Judah's gonna change the tires. We're gonna put rubber tires on this drift car and see what it does outside in the snow. Now what's funny is my son has messed up his servo, so he can only go straight. You can't turn. So this is all he can do right here. He's taking it like a champ. And then we have this. These tires on, let's see what it does. All right, it's on. Let's see what it does. Oh, that sucks. It doesn't move at all. That's funny. It identifies as drift car still. And axle is gone. That was short-lived. JJ, if I could take your tires, I would.
Ah!
Come on, do something. Go somewhere. Do something. Nope. Nothing again. Well, that was a letdown, but you know what isn't? The crawler aspects when it's actually dry outside. So it's a snow day, and just wanted to have some fun. So let me show you what it can do as it identifies as a crawler drift car. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit there, sir. All right, this Hot RC remote has thumb steering. And I've never tried driving with one hand, ever. And this is like true crawler style right here, driving with one hand. This is what crawlers do. So will it drive like a crawler? Oh, that's not as easy as I thought.
You? Well, I can turn slow.
Yeah, you're using two hands. I'm trying to use one. You know what? I'm gonna reverse my steering. Is that what y'all do? Do y'all reverse y'all steering? Let me try that out, see if it helps. Phase. One turn, two to burn. All right, let's change that. All right. Let's try it now, see if I can drift. All right, here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's try it. Oh! This is not simple.
Well, I can have my brakes just moving.
Yeah, you can drive a lot better than me right now. Oh!
That almost hit my car.
I can do a donut now at least, right? Yeah, I couldn't do that before.
And it looks like a hook. And this looks like that you go with that you want to catch a fish. And it then looks like a fishing pole. Yeah.
All right, that was a little fun video. It's definitely difficult to drive with one hand. It's definitely difficult to clear obstacles. Yeah, sure, it's not a real crawler, but at the same time, the suspension can articulate just not nearly as much. And there's a ball diff in the rear end or gear diff. I'm not sure. Either way, it's not a solid axle in the rear, so traction is a fail. But either way, it was still fun, and then seeing how fast it goes on these Fortec tires is pretty cool too. This car can get up and go. I might try and do a wheelie. Let's see if I can do that before I end the video. All right, that was fun. I don't think it did a wheelie. Slow-mo will tell me. I'll do it post-edit. But either way, thank you all for watching. Keep God first. I will catch you on the next video.